Alright guys, I'm pretty sure some of you are wondering, is there a way to add a joystick to Pokemon Go? That way you don't have to go walking around for a long period of time. Well, today I'm going to show you two methods that'll add a joystick to Pokemon Go, and they do not require root. So let's get started. Now for the first one, you're gonna want to go to the Play Store, download Fly or search Fly GPS. And you want to install it, but I already have it installed, so and then you're gonna want to go to developer options and go to mock locations and select Fly GPS. Once you do that, you open Fly GPS, set your location on, and click service run, and then joystick location mode for Pokemon. Oh, that didn't work. Hold on. GPS service run. There you go. And you're gonna get the joystick over here. Hold on, let me just move it. And what you're gonna want to do is open Pokemon Go. And let me connect this real quick. And as you can see, you can move with the joystick. And now I'm going to show you the second method. Here we go. I'm going to close this application. Now, the second method is you download another app called Pokemon Go Joystick. All you have to do is just go to Google search and type in Pokemon Go Joystick. And I'll show you how to do that right now. Go to Internet. Go to Google. And then type in Pokemon Go Joystick. The link should give you the application. And there it is. It should be the first one, and then just click download, and then just click download, and it'll download. And we remove it. Anyway, and then once you're done with that, what you want to do, what you want to do is once you have it installed, make sure you have unknown sources uninstalled. Is you go to developer options in your settings, go to mock location and select Pokemon Go Joystick. Pokemon Go Joystick. Just exit, and then go open the app. You all you want to do, you can bookmark your location. Open you just click open close. So when you open it up, it's gonna be like this. You just click open close joystick, and this joystick, and you bookmark location. So we're gonna go Manhattan, USA, and then open Pokemon Go. done, as you can see, we can now move on. We can now move in the direction with the joystick. And it's that simple. Alright guys, I hope this helped you out. And goodbye. Oh, and please leave a thumbs up and subscribe.